Welcome back. In Ma'rib, people are doing all they can to collect the orange harvest. Ma'rib orange is known for the special taste, and it gives them income that helps them with life pressures. This report has more details.
Across this land, hundreds of orange farms spread out in Ma'rib, producing thousands of tons of high-quality citrus fruits of all kinds. The farmers invest significant effort and expenses, starting with flowering and fertilization and ending with harvesting. As the winter fruit harvest season begins, Ma'rib's farmers fear their products may not sell in the city's local markets and worry about the lack of export channels, which could otherwise bring substantial returns.
Last year, most of the farmers took their orange crops to the waste, as there are no enough stable markets for them to sell their products. We call on the Farmers' Union, the Agriculture and Irrigation Office and the local authorities in Ma'rib Governorate to intervene immediately and find a solution for this crisis.
From the early hours of each morning, farmers harvest oranges and mandarins, with yields varying from one farm to another based on resources and proximity to the Ma'rib Dam canals. Each year, the production reaches around 70,000 tons, much of which goes to waste due to limited export opportunities, leaving Ma'rib's markets as the farmers' only option for sales.
Here in Ma'rib Governorate, the orange season is the best. Oranges are available at low prices. The government and the Ministry of Agriculture should take advantage of this season and find proper means to store and export the crops.
With 6,000 hectares of farmland, Ma'rib is the top producer of oranges, accounting for about 50% of the country's supply. Farmers and the fertile soil have provided all that is possible to supply these oranges, yet the absence of marketing strategies, export facilitation, and central markets places the burden on farmers, who incur significant financial losses each year.